Welcome everyone to my no code challenge. Over the next few days, I will exploring how we can build amazing things, website, app and more without writing a single line of code. Today in this video, we are starting with one of the most exciting tool out there, that is GPT-5, the brand new version of ChatGPT. It is not just a chatbot anymore that can create real projects just from our idea. So without wasting any time, let's build our first website. Open any browser you want. Search ChatGPT. Then go to the official website of ChatGPT. After that, log in using your account. Here I have already logged in. After that, it will show like this. Now we will create a portfolio website. So just enter which type of website you want. Here I want a portfolio website, so I write create a responsive portfolio website. Then add your own design like this. Just go through this and I will provide it in the description below. Now I want to add a logo here. So we have an image, need to convert it into a link. To convert it, just type imgbb. Click the first website. Now click on start uploading. Select the image. Then the link is generated below. Now copy the link, paste it into a new tab. Now right click on the image. Just copy the image address now. Now paste the image address here. Here I want to add my resume, so make the resume same process. Here you can also give your social media platform links. I gave here my YouTube channel link. Now the main thing, we add a color palette which gives the website look good. Now search color palette, open color hunt. Here you can get variety of color palette. We will use this in our website. Just click on it, copy the link here and paste it here. Here we use an application that is called CodePen. Now click enter. Wait a second. See, according to our need, it creates a HTML, CSS and also JavaScript code. Here we do not want to write any single line of code. ChatGPT create the code according to our need. Now we need an application to run our website. So we use CodePen. Open CodePen. Then in the left side, click on pen option. Now, first of all, rename our project as portfolio. Copy the HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. And paste one by one. Let me do it. After that, then click the down share button. Our website is ready now. It creates all the things which I provide to do. If you need to change anything, just write what you will change in the chatbot. For example, I want to put some animation to the welcome section. So I write it. Now copy the code here and paste in the CodePen application. Then click on save. Then go to that website, refresh the site, then see the change. The animation applied successfully. Then go here and click on export. Export as a zip file. Now open the file. Now extract the zip file. At last, we need to publish our website. To do that, enter Netlify. Go to the Netlify website. After that, sign up. And there is some steps you can do it by your own. Now we can drag and drop the dist file only, not any other file. Wait a while and your website published successfully with no cost. So that is day 1 of my no code challenge. Build a portfolio website with GPT-5. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Abhijit Code Labs for more AI plus coding tutorial. See you in the next challenge. We will take no code to the next level.